In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe Illustrator keyboard shortcut keys not working. It's a common issue, but fortunately, it's usually easy to resolve. So let's dive in and get your shortcuts back up and running, all in just 5 minutes or less. First, let's make sure that no text box is active. This is a simple yet commonly overlooked step. If you're typing text and a text box is active, your keyboard shortcuts often won't work because Illustrator thinks you're still in text editing mode. So the first thing to do is ensure that you're not editing text when you try to use a shortcut. Next, if you suspect that text mode is still active, a quick fix is to press the escape key. Pressing escape will help you exit the text editing mode and should return Illustrator to its normal operation mode. Once you've done that, try your shortcuts again. It's often something this simple that can cause the shortcut issue. Exiting text editing can immediately resolve the problem. If your shortcuts still aren't working, it might be time to check out your keyboard shortcut settings. Head over to the Edit menu located at the top of your Illustrator screen. Clicking on Edit will open a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From the Edit drop-down, select Keyboard Shortcuts. This will open a new window in Illustrator where you can manage your shortcuts. You'll see a lot of customization options here, but let's focus on getting everything set to default to troubleshoot the issue first. Look towards the top of the Keyboard Shortcuts window, where you'll find a drop-down labeled Set. Click on this drop-down menu. You may see several options here depending on your previous customizations, but what we want is to reset everything to the original defaults. So select Illustrator Defaults from this drop-down. This action will revert all shortcuts back to their factory settings, so any misconfigurations that might have occurred will be removed. After selecting Illustrator Defaults, don't forget to click OK. This step will save your settings changes and close the window. It's important to remember that changes won't be applied until you click OK. So be sure not to skip this step. And there you have it. With these steps, your Adobe Illustrator shortcuts should be back in action. If the issue persists, you might want to look into whether software updates are required or consider reaching out to Adobe support for further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy designing.